Hi everyone, I went to my local store because they had as a week promotion a die cutting machine A5 size for 29.95 euros. So in pounds that would be a little bit less, and for US dollars a little bit more, so I'm guessing around $35 maybe, and for the UK 27 pounds maybe. I don't know how far the pound is, so I'm gonna unbox it and I'm going to test it to see how this machine works. Because for that price, let's see what's inside. I can see here are the plates, and I do have a Cuttlebug, so I'm going to compare the plates with my Cuttlebug plates. And I see here there's a C plate. So there's a C plate. There are, let's remove the papers. So everything looks nicely packaged to protect the plates. You have the two B plates like in the Cuttlebug, and you have the platform. And I'm going to compare these. So these are my well loved and used Cuttlebug plates. And they seem to be not exactly the same. So the Cuttlebug, the cutting plate is thicker, but the two thinner plates seem to be the same. So I'm gonna test it with the Cuttlebug plates as well as the machine plates. So if these are from the same thickness, I can still find replacement plates for this one on AliExpress. So I will test that with the two thin plates later on. And there are also some cute little nesting dies in here for free. And I see a nice star embossing folder. And that for $29.95 seems to be a good deal. Let's move the box aside. Let's put on the handle. So it will be a little bit of searching, as I never used this machine before, how the plates will work, but oh, I'm forgetting something. Okay. Let's press. My hubby will take it over for me. Yep. I hope I can remove it. Okay, so I did something wrong. So there's my hubby fixing the handle on with a screw. There's a little, so that the handle is on. That's nice, so that the handle won't fly away if turning the little knob on. And let's see how it works. So I hope the system works the same as the Cuttlebug. Let's try it with one of the free dies as the easiest one. Cute little hearts. Test how it cuts. So if these are the cutting plates, so I will put with a cutting upside down. Just taking from my scrap box a piece of paper, and it feels nice and firm. And it cuts, this one it just cut perfectly from the first time. That's really nice. So that's already good. I'm going to take a more intricate die. So this worked just nicely, just for the nesting dies. I'm already happy with that, so that I don't have to use always my bigger one. I'm gonna use one of these dies, also brand new from my local store. They just came in, we're also in a week promotion. I think these were 99 cents. So let's see if this is already a more intricate one. If that one will work. Now don't worry, it's normal that your plate and okay, I just turned once and let's see the result. Wow, it just cuts, it really cuts great. Let's push this out. No, they haven't, normally you emboss this little piece as well. And look at this, how nice. That is just, hey, so far I'm quite happy about the result of the machine. Let's try another one. I'm gonna use a more intricate die. I'll be honest, I just got these in today from AliExpress, and now let's see how this one works. Oops. Good. My hubby saw it, otherwise it would destroy my C plate. It sits nice and sturdy on the table as well. Okay, this looks like a more intricate one, so let's see. And OMG, it cuts just great. Look at this. Wow, I'm quite happy. Look at this one. It cuts just fine. Now let's do a small test with the two Cuttlebugs plate. This way I can see if I can find for this brand duplicates on AliExpress, because this is not a well-known brand here, so that's why maybe a lot of people will be hesitant to buy this machine. But let's see. So these are the two Cuttlebug plates. I just need this one. Let's use just a voluntary, it's not a piece of scrap. So I'm just gonna use the cutting plate, not this one, because this one, as you see from this one, is thicker. Just to see the B plate. So yes, it works with the B plates from the Cuttlebug. So once your plates are wearing out, you should be able to find replacement on AliExpress. If I can find the link of one of the sellers, I will link them down below. So be careful then not to damage your C plate, because that will be a little bit harder, as that's the only one that differs from the Cuttlebug plate. And that's this plate here. The C plate is thicker from the Cuttlebug, so the B plates are just fine. They can be, the Cuttlebug plates can be combined with the B plates of this die cutting machine. So this might be a practical tip. Let's see how the embossing folder works. Normally I should use the embossing folder with two B plates and my A plate. Oh, there are two embossing folders. Oh, that's awesome. Just like little bubbles like snow, and there's a star one. I'm not going to use a complete piece, just a piece of scrap there. So just to, let's see how I want it. Let's put it this way. Normally you put your A plate and you two, I think you do B plates to emboss, because an embossing folder is thicker. And look at that, just nicely embossed. I'm happy actually. The result is quite good. I'm quite amazed for this price actually. I'm telling you, this is just a sale price at the moment. The retail price once the sale is over will be, I heard, 39.95 euros. So if you want to get one, now it's the time. It's 29.95 euros for this machine here. And as you see, it just gutted, almost jumps out like that. Let's just for one last test, let's see if I can use an even more intricate die. Let's see if I can find one among my new ones, because these were all new at the local store as well. These aren't really intricate. I'm just gonna see quickly among one of my others. Let's see, let's use one of these intricate ladies here, because they're in general not that easy to cut. And let's switch plates again. Let's see, so I'm using the good plates, again my C plate. Cutting edge up. I don't think it's big enough. Yeah, it's big enough. Just enough. But it doesn't have to be exact science. So let's see. Normally I have to cut twice to make it cut. And look how nicely it already cut just by turning once. Now it just is perfect. I'm absolutely happy about this machine. I'm glad I got it. I was afraid I was going to miss out on this one, but as you see, they just pop out. Now I'm very happy. So die cutting machine from the Action Store, $29.95 this week. If you're interested, I would say yes, go for it. And especially if you want to start making cards and die cutting, this is I think a good investment to start with, and then eventually you could still go over to the big brands, ones like a Joy Trouvaille or the Big Shot. But this is a good starter. Hope this review was helpful. Thank you all for watching. And